Hauze ngasigi maru oiba pausing. Home Affairs ki Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju numit nini ki khongsatta Imphal da thungnare. Framework agreement ki matangda nungsa thingai oide border ki issue athuba matamda loishinaba khonagani haina Kiren Rijiju na phongdokre. Mamangi Sauda Sakon Krabas Singi become Tokbas and Tom Singh Piragani Haina, Chief Minister and Birena High Cray. Amadi Congress ki mute Kangbu Amana, border ki Pibam Yangsin Cray, Myanmar Armina, border Lance Lakuna, same Sabaki Tabak Pakalamati Ray. Kurunjare ISTB Pauming Tabiribas Mutaram Nokchare, Hauzima Pungiba Pau. Bharat Sarkar ki Home Affairs ki Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju Security Review Meeting yawnana bat numit nini ki khongsatta Imphal da thungnare. Tripura ki Chief Minister Biplab Deb su loina rakli. Imphal International Airport ta Mahakpu Works Minister T.S. Bishwajit, Education Minister T.S. Radhesham, MLA Singh amadi party ki luchingba singh na taramna okay. Paumui singh na hangba wahangi pakhumda Mahak ki Manipur khongsada se maru oina Awang Nongpok State Singda Ahenba Miyeng Thamnaba Prime Minister na Phongdokkiba adugi routine work oina lakpani. State asida leiringai matamda security gi matangda amadi atai hiram kayada Manipur gi Chief Minister ga unaduna wari watai saduna sakut thorang gi thabak angamba thakta paikhanaba honagani haike.
From time to time Narendra Modi ji has been assessing the development progress in Northeast. Now from the party side also we have to keep reviewing the progress of the various developmental projects in Northeast. Besides that, our party also need to work more harder because we have given commitment to the people of Northeast. Now today we are in Manipur. I will also take some security review meeting and then we will discuss with our Chief Minister and other officers about what else we need to do.
Amaramda Housing issue ama oiriba framework agreement ki matangda hangba wahangi pakhumda agreement asina kanagumba state ama loinana community amatabu ayet apanba thokaloi masida thoidokna nungsa thiningai oide haike.
All the stakeholders are being discussed, brought into confidence, and before a final decision is taken, the concerns of all the segments and all the stakeholders will not be ignored. So that assurance our Home Minister also has given earlier, and we are in touch with all the chief ministers and other stakeholders. It should be a very balanced one. There is nothing to worry about in that way which are being raised by some section of the society.
Nakalamaramda Housing Bharat ka yimlo naba Myanmar na Manipur gi lam oiriba kwatha khunauda kilometer ahumlom changchilak laga border pillar number marfumatho yungsilakliba sigi matangda leibagani gi oiba wari sananaba amadi local gi thaktasu wari sanaduna warushin puraknaba honagani haike.
Some issues we had some 3 rounds of meeting. Even the earlier Chief Minister Ivoba Singh had attended 2 meetings where I was there. We have a very smooth and friendly relation with Myanmar. If there are any issue on the local level, that will be sorted out. So nothing to worry. We will be taking care of all the concerns of the local people on the border area.
Khongsat adu daloina rakhiba Tripura gi Chief Minister Biplab Debna ngalingai matamdagi hauna Manipur amasung Tripura si yamna naknaba mari leinarakpa state singni Manipur gi ningthau machanupi ahum Tripura gi Maharani oina leikhibagi wari lei awang nongpok state ki oina Mizoram yaudana BJP na sarkar pairiba state sing kok chungchinaduna sakhonaba angamba thakta honaminagani haike.
नॉर्थ के हर लोगों के हर राज्य में हर लोगों के प्रति नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के प्रति एक प्रेम है। त्रिपुरा में भी इतना बड़ा परिवर्तन हुई है, उसमें नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के प्रति हर व्यक्ति का एक प्रेम था। और निश्चित 2019 में नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जितने भी सीट हैं 27 के 27 सीट नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के को आशीर्वाद के स्वरूप हम लोग जनता का आशीर्वाद के स्वरूप हम भेजेंगे पक्का। हमारा त्रिपुरा का 2 का 2 मिल जाएगा।
Hayeng ayu pung taraga minute tara mga taba matamda Hotel Classic Grande da pangthokpa tongan ba program singda Kiren Rijiju sarukya gadawre nungthil pung ahumakai taba matamda Delhi damak Jet Airways ki akhanaba aeroplane amada Imphal thadokhigani Hayeng BJP ki National President Amit Shah su numit nini ki khongsatta ayuk pung tara taba matamda Imphal Airport ta thungragani haina BJP Manipur Pradesh ki General Secretary Media and Nimbus na Kesampata leiba BJP ki office ta pangthokpa pawmisinga unavada phongdukre Assam yauna awang nongpok lamdam gi Chief Minister amade Deputy Chief Minister kaya yauna BJP ki thaupuba singna Classic Grande da Hayeng ayuk pung taramathoi makhaidagi ahing nongyai pung taranithoi fawba mifam pangthokani mifam aduda Lok Sabha gi Mikhal amadi state asigi political issue sing amadi hauzik thengnariba issue kayagi matangda khanagani haike Paugi mifam aduda sarugya kiba BJP gi wangang loi CS Bijoyna Manipur da political amasung social life ta thengnariba phataba kaya Congress na hawdoklambani power painaba apik political party kaya yosin khiba asi Congress party na tawkhiba ngaktani Congress ki phajadaba politics kaya dagi mangkinaba BJP na Congress Move Bharat Congress Move Manipur ki khongjang changshin bani haike Mamangi South da Sokhan Krabas Singi Pipam Thokpa Selfam Sing Piragani Haina Chief Minister and Biren na ngasi Raj Bhavan da Pangthokpa CM Relief Phanda Governor na Selgi Mateng Pibagi Thoram da Haikre Mangna Makhata na Haikibada Isaw aduna Sokhan Krabas Sing adugi Mateng Pinanaba lupa crore chama kuntaruk kaitharakle athuba matam da district Singi DC Singi Kuthang da Selfam Sing yanthok lagani Mangna Makhata aduna handaki Isaw na Sokhan Krabas Singi damak kudak ki tengbang oina seng quintal lising kun hawai quintal lising taruk amadi asathau bottle lising marfu hapta hongi manungda jingthoknaba center dagi khangalakle haike
Urgent allocation of 20,000 quintals of rice and 6,000 quintals of dal and 80,000 liters of edible oil for food. Now immediately 3 weeks ki manungda singadabni haidana agriculture ministry gi instruction pikre last year to give the 126 crore lakhre madu akhoi district singda distribution tawrkanda magi se lambi gi 27 crore yaure adagi akhoi gi yum gi adagi IFCD gi 2.6 crore mana department wise soki budu yelaga pire madu soidna akhoi decision gi kuthangda ba athu matamda works ki lambi sengwada ba IFCD gi tawgada ba yum yen guma sokki pigada ba singdo loina distributor
Ngasi Chief Minister Relief Phanda Manipur ki Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah na mahak masa yauna mahaki Raj Bhavan ki staff singi nongmagi tolop amadi atai atopa mioi singna pirakpa selfam Governor na Chief Minister N Birendra Khushina-ke thoramadu da Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah na NEC gi meeting da athuba matam da center dagi isawi tengbang pinana ba hairagani North East region gi in charge oiriba donor minister da su Manipur gi isauna sokhalaba phiba masigi matang da center da pukhatna ba hairagani phongduke
Very soon I'm going to be for the NEC meeting. In the NEC meeting I'm going to take it up because even the NEC has got funds to give. And the minister, donor minister, who is in charge of all of us, the northeastern state, he is our spokesman there. He should speak for us. So I'm going to convince him.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi MLA Mihut Kangbu amananga si wathok oiriba India Myanmar gi border pillar number marfumathoi gi phibam yengsin kre Myanmar Army na ngamkhai lansilaktuna sem sabagi thabak paikhalama thengnare ngasi gi khongsat aduda MLA KS Joy Kishan O Henry O Suresh Kumar DK Korungthang Yamthong Haukip amadi DD Thaisi yauke border oiriba Lamje Lok lansilaktuna Myanmar Army na border pillar marfumathoi nauna khiliba manakta changlaktuna teirambaga loinana mafam kharada nauna semgat sagatpagi thabak paikhatlamba su thengnarakhe khongjara sigi matangda Congress ki wangang lesu oiriba MLA KS Joy Kishan law na thumna India government na Manipur gi lam pithokna ba khonaramba haibasi yabangamloi masigi sab saba report ama CLP da pukatuna khanaraba matung AICC da pikhatpaga loinana Prime Minister amasung Union Home Minister unaduna Manipur gi lam mangba yaroi nauna Manipur gi mihut yauna survey tawgadabani hain taksin kre BJP na luchingba government asina lamdam asida thokliba issue sing khanbagi mahutta nongju befam numit nini khakta pangthokpa yaroi border issue ising isaw citizenship amendment bill yauna Kananaba ahen banumit hapkadabani haike.
Oina Burmese government appeals to na bhonabada akhoi ningdamba phangdingai mamangda akhoi Kabo Valley pithombagi wafum amasu akhoi leikhre aduna Manipur gi akhoi masdai ki sacrifice tawgi wafum amasum leiba Manipur dagi compromise taw matamda akhoi gi sima mangal laga akhoi se kaim khangdaba ngasi Kashmir gi issues na Manipur gi issue ne loba Kashmir langla badana issue ne sagatpa aduga north east not only for Manipur doklam da thukum matamda kaimta bu thoi daba machine taseng taseng takle leiriba BJP na government luchingliba asuguma government sina north east people se kaisu leitana khali makoi gi interest kharage damukta pangbu na habse masi leiriba Manipur gi natana malem daliba praja me amna khangbi wa duna koi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi site gi koi thamjari
Kwatha Kunogi Village Chief amasung Secretary na Ipaipu singna thambiramba lam India na thengkhang kaya da pithoknaba honabada Manipur government na tuminna leisinba pende government na tuminna leirabasu iramdam gi lam kananaba khunja singna honagani haike
Pura laiba Manipur lam mamor ko kun kunda mapada lairuraba Kwatha gi lam chokku matam da Kwatha min hen thawai nungaite sadang gi lam chokku matam sadang hen nungaramo maramde kon seng chumna Ipaipu thambiramba lam se akoi di min hen nungajate adu ko mi gi lam su ko pamjaru banate adu Ipai ma sing seng tak pirama lam se sengner de koi ngakcho pame
Myanmar gi Kondong Khul gi Chief Kanthungna Manipur ga Myanmar ga hana leramba boundary dagi Manipur rom da sangshinduna pillar yungli adubu makoina haibak ngambagi thongna leite leibak anigi yumlo nariba khul maselgi nungsinanaba mangan bidanaba mari leinaba singna sinbiu haike
Ramla neza mane mama mu sa ngru apyo lu mya bu no ho naingan do aji kya ni la bi do nabe lu twa ha phit de atwa jaw mo ngru ba ma pyo lu mya bu mane le pyo lu mya bu ma le pyo lu
nai se sa gi si gi se ina si summi so ngam de chumde so maram de mathak ta moi ya na ra ga so ma sen moi gi hai tare ko du tawnu ge pon nai kai so du gi maram de so du khang ma leite ba mane se ai chap cha ba khang de du na si summi chumta hai ngam de ina hai mai
Haukiba June gi tarama palda Chandal gi ADC chairman Lukhosoi Jau yauna mioi taretagi number 4 kg mariga gram chamanga marfudra manga WY tablet lak ani lesing marfu chani amadi sel oina lupa lak yang kai tare lesing tarani pal yauna phagaliba adugi makha chatharakpa oina ngasi lamfel da laiba NDPS ke special court puthokre makoi nipan gi manungda mioi amadi health ground da lakide ngasi just while water ki mamang da mioi sing adu puthorak paga loinana makoi bu makha tana numit mangani police custody remand pibinaba nav ki IO gi maikai dagi haijabada court na su ayaba pikhi baga loinana July gi ahumda makha tana court asida amuk hanna puthorak tuna bail hearing chatharagani haire General Post Office mamang da traffic police na khamadagi leptuna leiriba gari Chief Secretary Manipur gi driver na hando u chatke haibada yade haibadagi advocate amada phajadaba wahi sijinaduna fuge tawrakre hari thodo si ngasi nungsil pung manga khara helakpa adwaida advocate Sidanandana mahaki car traffic na khambadagi leptuna leiringai da Chief Secretary tonglakpa gari na babu parada haijin ge haina horon khonglakpada chatpham leitabana kadai da chatho u hairibano hanglubada Chief Secretary driver na phajadaba wahi kaya sijinaduna mahaku fuge tawrakpani hari VIP na rule gi wang mada tawning bata tawduna leiribasi yade khanganba mathau tari haike
Mind tawdana VIP sings na public road amada anything makoina tawning ba public khuding mak na chalamba du loina mag lepaga makoi khuding mak na use tawgadam ne haibasi I don't understand makoi gi intention da public road si moi gi private road ne haibagi wakalon laibra haibasi ma ayam seng na hangningi and moreover nasai gi ruling government ki BJP Sarkar has a very firm motive of doing away with the culture of VIP. VIP culture sima koi tokani haibagi makoi ge firm ideological concept amada hojik kanna changsilaga kana gumba VIP bureaucrats kharana sumaina torok pasi karamba action lokhatkani lokhaloi haibasi ai amutang khaningi
Sakang daba singna pharuba mahiroi ama nanthok cherakle thodo siki matang da pharuba mahiroi gi apopina Maki Masanupa Hauzik Sangai Progda Leba Higher Secondary School da Class 11 Tambagi School Kabada Thodosi Thokibani Maki Masanupana Haukiba Tangkunda School gi Mayok Naba Skon Mandir Mamangda Sakang Daba Mi Anina Thaurakpa Merun Machugi Maruti 800 Start Haudre Haiduna Mating Pangbina ba Hairak Padagi Mahana Gari Adubu Induna Start Haunana ba Mating Pangke Tungda Naha Aniduna Maki School Fauba Thinbiram Lage Haina Kanna Hairak Padagi Mahiroi aduna gari manungda kakatpaga makoi anigi manungdagi amana maning thangba sit manakta namsinduna thambadagi mahak gyan mangke mangna gyan tarakpada amambaka amada leiramki hari matamaduda maki masada yauba mobile phone na mahaki apokpiga pau phaunabadagi thododugi maramda mamada tamke tungda mangna ka adugi thong thugaiduna chenthораktuna lambida lakpa auto tonglaga main road tana thorakhe lamida leramba nupi anina mahakpu mafam sana thamibadagi imung manungna pau phaunabada mafam adu langjingda laiba jiri parking ni haiba khangba ngamke tungda imung manung chatuna mahaki machanupa adu lokhatke apokpina makhatana hiramasida lamphel police ta wakat cherol ama pisinkre sarkarna angang asibu phana na ba honaramliba miyoi phaduna cherak pibiu haike
Mamoina haijaning badi mayam da tahorok liba satra satri mayam sida sigumba thawdok jo amohana thokdana ba mari lena basingna khara yengjanbiyu haijaning
Maharashtra gi Nasikta thasigi kuntareta Sukhoi fighter aircraft ama kaibagi thawdokta Manipuri army pilot anina aircraft adugi pilot rescue tokre hari Lieutenant Colonel Y Ajit Kumar amasung mahaki co-pilot Major Rosni Kanta irungbamna routine training oina advanced light helicopter pairingaida radio da aircraft ama kaikre pilot chongthok haure haiba tabadagi crash site aduda makoi anina khudakta thiba humbagi tabak chatake aircraft adugi akai atoi sing ubadagi yamna pikpa soft oiba ground amada helicopter adu tabaga loinana pilot adu mafam dudagi puthoraklaga Ozar Air Force Station phawba purakki hari hauzik aten ma Brampton lobjare
aina isasi medical profession se chaning bedagi karamba mafamda afaba oza krai da legadagi haina khirakpani last aina comment thang jaban
ain binita ning thangjam ai handak ni 2018 sida manipur ge oina top ta jaban
every week test series na pangthok ni exact question jing je angang china parikha ja changor kan angang harauna nolga tholokpa
net exam ge oina haiga di manipur pumbada comment sina care lobbi base yamna hen gadra haiba ai thajaban
Chabada Hauraba, Haksang Soktaba, Bohagi Mustard Oil, the taste of Assam. Distributor oining Masingna, mobile number +917578007064. Guwahati da contact Tobirak Yagani. Bohagi Mustard Oil.
Unique Education, the first CBSE and ICSE coaching center at Imphal. Admissions open. 5 months foundation for CBSE class 9 and 10. 5 months foundation for CBSE class 12 science private candidate and 5 months foundation for CBSE 11 science. Class commences on 28 June. Unique Education, Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Lekai, opposite Sangai Express.
Are you confused about your career after 10+2? If yes, then get in touch with SS Career Solution, 2nd floor Gypsy Building, Pauna International Market, Pauna Bazaar. Best Career Counseling Center in Manipur.
Hakchangi labor sorakpadagi producing attaba, hakchang choktarba, tumba chaba yaraktaba, khong hama nungayaktaba singidabat, amatta nayaba upaidi, Jolib syrup, amasung Jolib capsule wo changmene sinabiyo. Break matung da mayam utaram nokchare makata ba pauda Manipur University gi Mahiroi amadi Oza singna yadraba Vice Chancellor pham thadokloi haiba Mahiroi amadi Oza singda singna bani haina Manipur People's Party na phonglukle BC pham dagi khudakta lokthokna ba MPP na davi tawre ngasi party ka office ta pangthokpa paugi mifam amada President Oinam Jugindrona Professor AP Pandena ngakchau theklibase center amadi state ta BJP na lengakle karisu tawba ngamloi haibagira University da affiliate tawriba college marfu taruk Mahiroi lising yangkai manga University asigi Mahiroi lising ahum longi academic career yenglaga se minister na center gi lusingba singda takchinduna wathoga si loshina ba khonaga dabane MPP na su issue asi hakchina lobaga loinana paikhat payaba thabak paikhat na basem sare amoromda border gi issue asi su MPP working committee gi mifam kogduna yengshilagani amade border da chatuna yengshina ba sem sare haike
Sir Adita Pandina University asigi affiliation tawduna leriba non technical amsung medical college sing apunba college masing marfu taruki apunba satra lising yangkai manga amasung university asigi tamliba satra lising ohungi academic career yengbiraga Pandina khudakta moral ground na pham thadokadabani
Manipur University Teachers Association gi ngasi pangthokiba executive committee gi mifamna BC lokthokna bagi demanda makhatana lokhatkadaba khongthang sing khanakre mifam aduna hauzik leiriba crisis ase loishandriba fawba mutagi member singna vice chancellor gi in charge amasung atai administrative position sing lowidana ba appeal tawba haina warip lokre hauzik leiriba BC amasung atai officer singda cooperation pidaba haina su yanake Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur nasu Housing University asida oiriba phibamasi state amasung center leader singna khut thingzinduna mahiroi amasung miyamgi interest ta waroshin purakna batakshile committee asina mahiroi oza sing amasung staff singna sangshilakpa khongjang singda mapung phana saugatkani haide Guru Ibobisa Cultural Academy gi ahumlak suba foundation day ga mari lainana Tera Kaitel da laiba children home da sana thaknaba amadi direct laisu tamnana bagi boy kolom singyan thokre Nat Sankritan gi saknai raba oza S Thanil amadi lakpati dasu kudol tamke Ministry of Consumers Affairs Food and Public Distribution gi Department of Consumers Affairs na sinduna State Singama Sung Union Territory Singi Consumer Affairs Minister Singi National Consultation Mifam Ama Bigan Bhavan New Delhi the Pangthokre Ogdopaki Thoramda Consumer Affairs ki Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan Minister of State CR Chaudhary Su Sarukyake Mifam Asida Manipur ki Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam Amasung Commissioner T Ranjit Su Sarukyake Moirang Kendra gi manungda ichauna awaba sokalaba mafam sing umbu charangpat amadi kwakta sandong makalai kaigi sokalaba mafam ahungi imung kuntrama thoida cheng kg kun ga loinana thau amadi hawaina chingba sana ba polam kaya MLAP Sarachandra na yen thokre sana thaklaba polam yang thokpa aduda Moirang BJP mandal gi President Hamid Moirang Municipal Council gi Chairperson M Romi Bala kwakta Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan Nahapik Su Sarukyake MLAP Sarachandra na nongju tha mapung phana yautringai da Saiton Turel gi kairi batorban asi semnagani haike Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution ki Director Yumnam Ranjan gi office ki kada leiba table da sakangraba singna Chinese hand grenade ama thamlamle hairi bom aduga loinana ti amada last warning KCP haina tharami hairi Awang nongpoglam damgi state singda cycle da beti bachao beti parao haiba pandam da chatluba sagolban Vijay Govinda dagi ke budabu Shiv Sena babu parada laiba office da okre Party ki President Tombina border area da Assam Rifles ki mahutta atopa force samat thambiu state government na border gi issue asida asengba thidoktuna lam khopsiliba sing thinglasi haike
masima ai soina highlight tawjagane akoi handaki nongju mifam sida akoina puthokadoriba akoi edenja singsigi manungda akoi gi naga gi framework agreement sigi matang ama aduga ani subada akoi gi 2016 citizen amendment bill gi mayokta akoi Assam gi team yauna ai soina Delhi pangjaragani handak lakadoriba 2000 akoi 18 gi July gi taragani pandagi hogodobane masida akoi gi borders pillars ki matang sisu akoi soidan puthokani
Bharat ki mafam kudingda pangthok pagum ngasi Manipur da Statistics Day gi thoram lamfel da laiba Directorate of Economics and Statistics ki auditorium da pangthokre thoram aduda department ki director Paizona Kamai amadi atai mari leinaba official singsu sarukyake Director Paizona Kamaina pangthokliba thoramase India gi statistics ki mapani haina khangnariba Professor PC Mahalanovis ki mapok kumonga mari leinana pangthokpani haike Thauranga mari leinana statistics department na puthokpa report registrar business established in Manipur 2014-15 gi final report Environment Statistics Manipur 2017, Housing Statistics of Manipur 2017, Economic Condition of Livestock Farmers in Manipur 2017, Manipur Budget Report 2017-18, District Statistics Year 2018 released okay. Maitram da laiba Azad English School da KCP Noyon Group ni haizaba mi kharana phone da sale gi demand tawrakpa yaning da ba phongdoktuna school so londuna wakani fam chatakre School say Maitram gi akoi bagi miyam na angamba sel puthok na raga lingkhat khiba school amani school sina lamdam adongi phibam sadraba imung manungi angang sing lemna mahi tamhan bagi thabak pakat libane masida puba thang bangam loidaba demand tawbiganu hairi amaram da mobile phone gi kuthang da demand tawrai hairiba mi aduna hayeng dagi school hangduna class tawina basu khangalakle hairi
Sahadagi amna haidaraga leijaba adugumba school ni lau singubana simpham oiba lekai ni aduga macha masu singdi mahi masing diamna tamhaningba paisa diam leijadaba wana semjara kande school asida makoina angang singji like tamjahanbani aduga hairiba school asida kumba puba thangba ngamloidaba dimala se tobiganu haidana di angang singi school tambada so ayat pibiganu angang sing mahi masing tambada ayat pibida maning makha tamna mahi masing tambada mating pangbiu
Secretariat amasung Chingmairongi National Highway gi saruk-singda gari double parking tawdanaba tangai fadaba khongthang laukhanaba High Court of Manipur na direction pikre hari National Highway singda ain kaina potchai paisinba amadi gari khamjinbagi mayokta chatharakiba PIL amagi aroiba hearing pangthoktuna direction asi state authority da pikhibani PILC Thobal achobudagi Dr. Ketrimayum Manglemna thakibani maki council oina advocate P Prem Sarmana lefke Technology sakolakpagi matung ina cyber security da akiba lakliba sing thengnanaba cyber lanmi puthok mathau tarakle masi pangthokpada government employee khakta natana India ki mipung khudingmakpu anti spam detection gi matangda training piba mathau tare haina Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology gi Minister of State SS Alwaliana phongdokre ngasi akam patalaiba nailikta pangthokkiba skill development course sing losinbagi thoramda minister na wafam asi phongdokhibani donor gi self makada institute asina sinduna pangthokkiba thoram maduda nailit ki director general Rajiv Kumar Imphal gi executive director TS Prameshwar SDPI gi DG Om Karasu sarukyake minister na makata na institute asina skill development ka mari leinana paikhaliba thabak thoram singda apen ba phongdokpaga loinana center na matam kudingda baram chaba mateng pigani haike
You are giving training only to the government employees. Ask all the newspapers of Manipur and other people that if you want to train yourself, train your employees, you can send it here. We can train them. Give them a crash course. Put up them in a boot camp and give them a training.
July mangada pangthokadaba disturbance free education zone demand dega mari leinana yenthokna ba chejai ngasi sagol badal leiba desamgi office da phongkre observation committee da yauriba Catholic Educational Society Manipur All Manipur Recognized Private School Welfare Association All Manipur Government Aided College Teachers Association FECTA amadi desamgi thomi singna saruk yaduna pangthokiba chejai phongbagi thoramadu da desamgi president Salam Akasna Insolution Nipan gi July mangadagi pangthoktuna lakliba education free zone demand day chahi asigi oinasu pangthokna ba sem saba loide July anidagi manga fawba mafam kayada street corner play pangthokani July manga thoram pangthokpa numitta khumal lampakdagi boyama sumang lila sanglen fawba miyamgi khongchat ama chatlaba matung mifam pangthokani haike
Tuan coklat lamjil da maling juga coklat lamjil da koina yaksun bangam dana injin bangam dana bagi tamakta koina mai masing-masing tidak tambah mathau tai masih tamakta ni koina educational institution singa sida tuan makal amat tagi ekai tinggai ba disturbance amat bibi gano na jari bisi private school sida mai tamjari ba chhatra sing mai roi sing asi mogi makoi gi economy gi film yengbidana semilon ga chana dana tuan ba hen ba makal gi fee structure sing lepson ba basic needs tagi hen ba mai tambagi darkar leba kharasdigi henba mayamama chhatra singda mairoi singda impose tobiu masi tobiganu.
An autonomous college problem and prospect haibasida nimit nini pangthokadaba national seminar among ase Imphal College da Education Minister TS Radheshyamna hodokre Imphal College na sinduna pangthokiba seminar hodokpagi thoramda tongan ba mioi kyana saruk yake Education Minister Radheshyamna autonomous college ama oirakpa matamda maduda thengnagadaba sing amadi mayoknagadaba sing adu karamna kokhangadagi haibagi matangda seminar si pangthopani haike
From the country or outside the country, let us think on positive lines and let us see if it is not giving good results. You all are there, we all are there. Everyone wants to be positive and change has to be for positive, not for negative.
Ningthokong Higher Secondary School gi classroom gi plaster kintharaktuna mahiroi manga sokan khiba thodokta chenaram khudingmak ain gi oba thabak lokat pagal loinana makhoi bu ngakpiroi haina MLA Radhakishor nanga se school asigi phibam yangsin bada phongdokre khongsat adu da ningthokong Municipal Council gi chairperson K Mani John 4 gi DIR K Ranjit Susaruk yake Radhakishor na makatana school asigi award passing fencing oza award pa mention na ba honagani school asigi nupa amasung nupi gi tongan ba toilet sing sagani haike
Contractor mathau ozana ozagi mathau rajdi toriba MLA gi mathau punamuk singa se ta hongani masida aigi migi michang changana haibadu di handa government sida masida issue leiti tho matam da award pa akoi gi boost girl gi separate akoi gi akoi latin toilet pin na ba madu de government da or education minister da ina che thagat charagani
Napna Saparmainadagi Brown Sugar Konana Fare Hariba Koirenge Bazardagi Longjam Tom Chow Chai Nifumapan Apokpa El Iboton Maitei Lekai Gi Merapai Bi Club Ki Oiba Mi Famna Lekai Da Lehenda Bahaina Warip Lori Hari Hauzamuka na Ten Brem to Lobjade
Baba Quick zone gidi tatatis college di mamal suma phang puding cham mane yo suma ngaro pista salabni na adu suma takta superlink footing gi offer me piri sidi tas electric rang no sin bagum na yoti sin ya
dudi sanagi mohut yang na sin ba
MS Iramdam ki Laisil Aqua Project Private Limited Kabo Laikai Dolaland Dalaiba Ekoi gi factory da 250 ml 500 ml 750 ml 1 liter amadi 20 liters packaged drinking water marangkai no phangbiragani naungno puthok saba packaged drinking water asigi test kaw sungam ngamloi.
Admission opened 2018 to 19. Facilities at IITA. International certification program approved in 88 countries. 100% international and national job assistance. Attractive salary packages. Trained by experienced faculties. Tied up with the reputed airlines. High-tech classroom with air condition and many more. Only institute in Manipur offering international certification in ground staff, cabin crew and diploma in tourism. Be a part of the most luxurious lifestyle. For details, Changangai opposite Imphal International Airport.
Bohagi mustard amadi refined oil, the taste of Assam. Bohagi oil jabiu, karupati oibiu. Masida sunatana lucky coupon price mayam amasu lejari. Adongi manak nakpa store dagi fangbigani.
Break matung da mayam amukan na taram nokchare. Makata pa paugda ZEO amadi Assistant District Public Prosecution Officer Jiribam Anina Kusam Naduna Disability Singi Medical Assessment Camp Ama Lakipur Ward Number Mapanda Laiba Institute of Children with Disability Office the Pangtukre Camp Adu Dapunna Miyoi Humpumapan Restart K. Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides Tamenglong District Association Sinduna Bharat Scouts and Guides Ke Nimit Manganigi District Summer Testing Camp Ama Pretty Lane Institute Tamenglong the Pangtukle Camp Masida Tongan School Taruki Mahiroi Chamarom na Saruk Yare. Amasung Kadana Sinduna Satharakli by Anti-Drug Campaign Kaksing District Manung Chanba Guide Career Academy Umatel da Pangtukre Thoramadu da Kadagi Secretary Organization Mayangbam Budi Academy Asigi Headmaster A Dhananjoy AMSU Headquarter Ge Library Secretary L Brozen Susarukyake Kadagi Vice President Ningthauzam Dorena Resource Person Oike Young Paite Association Jenhang Lamka Unit Ki Kuntranipan Suba Anniversary Thoram VK Montessori High School Lamka da Pangtukre Thoramadu da Agriculture Minister V Hankalyan Maniredagi Chairman GS Haupu ADC Churasanpur Chairman Haipau Haukip Susarugya K Yellow Me Ching Tam Salai Taret Ki Ipai Puna Thambiramba Lamkai Insoli Singamaka Chamapal Yankai Mapandagi Hauna Kayarak Mangduna Laklaba Matungda Myanmar Amasung India Manipur ga Lonaba Boundary Pillar Number Marfumathoi Manipur Romda Hongjilaktuna kilometer ahum lom mangsilakpagi matangda legal notice thakre haina All India Kangla Pakhangba Temple Development Society na haire Blue Orange Entertainment na Sinduna Guwahati gi ITA da pangthokiba North East ki Mr. Mrs. Amasung Miss ki Grand Finale da Manipur gi oina saruk yaruba Sidananda Moirang Themna ahanba runner up amadi Pretty Laishramna Best Costume tarakli haire Press Club da Pangthokpa Thoram Amada Eleza Angomna Thoramadu da Manipur gi oina mai pakpa si sakthok chaningai ni tungda national level gi sangdamna badasu saruk yaduna mai pakna ba honagani haike National Hydropower Corporation gi project ta mapal gi kana amatana e tender da yaubirakanu haina NISPC Contractors Association na Fongdokle Manipur Press Club da Pangthokpa Pawgi Mifam Amada Association asigi President Aku Arnagana NISPC Loktak Power Substation asi Registrar Contractor Association ni Masina Civil Work Construction amadi Repairing Thabak Chui Contractor Sing asi Loktak Project Affected Area gi miyoi ngaktani e tender horpadagi Registrar Contractor nataba farm kayana open tender tawada yaurukliba se yaubirakanu Loktak Project Affected Area singi Contractor singna project work sing maintenance tawgi haike Uripok MSU branch na Sinduna apaba mahiroi sing opagi thoram ma Uripok Basaspati Community Hall da Pangthokre Thoramaduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Oiramba Professor S. Nanda Kumar Sharma, MSU ki Vice President Laishram Peter Amadi Nimpal Imphal West ki President Thingbai Jam Ibeyai masu saruk yake. Handak sahi ki class 10 amadi 12 exam da mai paklaba Mehroi Singh manamatum PK. Kangpupi District Headquarter da BJP ki mapangal hananaba BJP Sadar Hills ki Department of Documentation amasung Library Kangpupi da hangdokre. Tharamadu da Documentation and Library ki Head of Department Dr. M. Binota, Co-Convener R.K. Santirani, BJP Sadar Hills amasung Scheduled Tribe Morcha Sadar Hills ki Luchingba Singh susaruk yake. Gari makha lekai da leba Glory English School da lem na layeng ba kem ama school committee na sindu na ngasi pangthokre KMC school asigi Mahiroi Singh da kari ana ayek leba khangdokpaga loinana madudagi ngakthok haunana ba chahi khudingi pangthokpa routine oiba check up ni hairi. Ngasi ayu pung 4 muk taba matamda Imphal More lambi gi Kondong Lairembi check post ta mi ani lupa lakh 13 rongi oigadaba brown sugar ga konana police na fare makoi singa dodi Silver Lunglo Chai Kuntra Ukrul District ki Lambui dagini hari atopa amana Aungsi Sangreyo Jimik Chai Kuntra Mathoi Ukrul District Ramba Village dagini makoi gi matakta More police na case sama lokot kre. Moirang Kendra gi Longmi Singda Kendra sigi MLAP Sarachandra gi miyeng makhada Urea har phangan ba hokre haina Moirang Assembly Constituency Modi Vawan Moirang na khangalakle. Isaung na maram oiraga awa ana taraba wangoi gi miyam dasu lakadoriba MP election da independent oina mirep oiragani lauthokraba RK Samarendro Kaiku miyam da chana thaknaba amadi atei nongmada changba polam kaya yenthokre miyam da polam sing yenthokiba aduda film gilam da leiriba artist kaya su saruk yake. Haujek sanabagi pau lobirase. Ngasi sanabagi pauda handa pangthokadoriba Asian Games da boxing masanagi KG 52 gi category da India gi number 1 oiduna leiriba Manipur dagi boxing sanaroi Sanjit Sabam Sarju Balana hana chanarakpa niyongi matung ina number 1 da leiba player adu Bharat ki mahut sinduna trial tawdana saruk yahanduna lakhe handak tasu Kamal Well Games da trial selection tawdana number 1 oikiba Haryana gi sanaroi Pinky Jangra thake aduga Asian Games asidana number 1 da leiriba Sarju Balabu trial tawhanduna mahakpu salhandanabagi kuzil thorang tawrabra haibagi chingnabu leikhe masigi matung tarakpada ngasi Delhi da leiba Indira Gandhi Stadium da Sarjubala amadi Pinky ani thingainabada Sarjubala na maithiba piduna Asian Games da saruk yaragani hiramsigi matangda Delhi da leiba ISTV News ki correspondent Roses Saramna pirakpa report ama
isina aluba leiriba aige supporter mayam so ai ngasi gi ngammaja moina ngamanne moina aingoda TV ne ba mayam gi support ga ina ngammane ja.
Standard Youth Development Association Sinduna Chathariba Ahanba First at Level 7 aside Village Open Football Tournament ki ngasi sana ki ba quarter final match singda Lesangkhong FC Tingel Lesangkhong na Prio FC Kwakathelbu Puzzle Mari ahumda maiti pikre aduga atopa quarter final match amada SYDA Mutum Phibona Refa Lesangthembu Puzzle ahum sinoda maiti pikre. Manipur Fencing Association Sinduna Taramari Suba Governors Cup State Level Fencing Championship Lagliba July 15 dagi 18 fawba Kumalampag Indoor Stadium da pangthuklagani saruk yaningba singna akupa Marol Association asidagi khanglaba yagani hairi. Athokpam Football Club AFC Thawal Athokpamna Sinduna Team Tara Taruna Saruk Yaduna Club Asigi Ground na Chathariba Mari Suba State Level 7 Aside Men's Open Cash Prize Football Tournament ki Kasana Kiba Aruba League Round Match ta 9 Signing Star Pungdong Bamna Bolero FC Singjamai Bamole Kaibo Panjal Mari Anida Maitiba Pikre Hayengdagi quarter final match sanaba horagani Sagi Pau Lawirase
Environment Directorate ki phangki banga sigoi ki bainga sa madi nuji ki pauda khwaidi ki sa ki ba Celsius degree control dai dasmik taratrok khwaidi ki ingba Celsius degree taratre dasmik taret nuksi te yawi sing manin ki sang maximum da sada mari putarani pal dasmik kontra mapal minimum da sada humfuma doi dasmik ani oike Ngasigi nong suki bagi sang mga dasmik taro humdoi millimeter ni.
Hauzaroi Badamaroi Bapau Amukana Home Affairs ki Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju namidini ki khongsata Imphal da thungnare Framework Agreement ki matangda nungsa thiningai oide border ki issue athuba matamda lushnana ba khonagani haina Kiren Rijiju na phongdokre Mamangi Sauda Sokon Krabas Singi Pifam Tokwa Selfam Sing Piragani Haina Chief Minister and Virena High Craig. Amadi Congress ki mute Kangbu Amana border ki Pibam Yangsin Craig, Myanmar Army na border lands Latuna Sem Sabaki Tabak Baikat Lamatengare. Ngasigo na dia STB na Pizaba Pau Matan Solution Jare Miang Tabiri Basingwa Mukahana Kurum Jare.